Hi folks, Jesse Ivy back with you again today, and we're going to talk ChatGPT again today, and we are going to ask it a question about the 10 real estate scams that it warned me about. I'm just going to show you what it told me, and basically you'll be amazed. So if you think it's cold out here, if you get one of those scams, you will not like it. Anyway, let's get right to it. Let's find out what ChatGPT had to tell me about the 10 real estate scams we all should be aware of.
So folks, I have logged into my ChatGPT account here, as you can see, and I'm going to ask it a question. If you would like a ChatGPT account, all you need to do is go to OpenAI and make your own account, and I've explained this in another video on real estate, how to use ChatGPT for investing. You just need to go to our YouTube channel and you can watch that video as well, and I'll put it in the link below. Anyway, so let's get on with it. I'm going to ask it this question, and basically it's name 10 real estate scams with details about each one that I should be cautious of. So watch this. So I inputted that. And as you can see here, it's beginning to put out these. And as it does, I'll just start reading them off. Here are 10 real estate scams that I should be cautious of. Number 1 is foreclosure rescue scams. Now these scams target homeowners facing foreclosure and promise to help them keep their homes, but require payment of upfront fees, which often result in the homeowner losing their home. Boy, that's a bad one. Another one is rental scams. Scammers create fake rental listings or impersonate legitimate landlords, collect upfront rental deposits or fees, and disappear without providing the promised rental property. Wow, that's awful. Here's number 3, property flipping scams. Scammers may purchase rundown properties and sell them for a much higher price, often without making proper disclosures about condition of the property. Number 4, equity skimming scams. Scammers offer to take over the mortgage payments of homeowners facing foreclosure and promise to help them regain their equity, but instead take possession of the property and sell it for a profit, leaving the homeowner with nothing. Wow. Bait and switch scams. These scams involve advertising a property at an attractive price, but when a prospective buyer or tenant shows interest, the seller or landlord claims the property has already been sold or rented and offers a different, less desirable property. Wow, that is a terrible one. Title fraud. Scammers forge documents to transfer the title of a property from the rightful owner to themselves, then use the property as collateral for loans or sell it to unsuspecting buyers. Number 7, illegal flipping scams. Scammers purchase properties with illegal funds, make superficial repairs, and sell the property at an inflated price, often using straw buyers or falsified documents. Number 8, fake real estate investment seminars. Scammers often offer free real estate investment seminars, then pressure attendees to buy expensive training programs which often have little or no value. Number 9, phantom help scams. Scammers offer to help homeowners modify their mortgage or negotiate with lenders, collect upfront fees, and disappear without providing any help. Number 10, short sale fraud. Scammers convince homeowners facing foreclosure to sell their properties for less than the mortgage balance, promising to take care of the deficiency balance, but then disappear without paying the balance or completing the sale. So these are all 10 terrible scams, but don't you find it interesting how ChatGPT can just come away with information so fast and produce it so fast for you to review? I mean, I just find this fascinating.
So in closing, the best thing to do is any real estate deal that seems too good to be true probably is. And so you really need to be cautious, especially if you're dealing with Facebook, Craigslist, or any place like that. But if anything sounds too good to be true, it probably is a scam. That's one of the best ways. Just, I mean, if it's gray area, you know, if it's not black or white and it's gray, usually I would do no. I would say no, I'm not going to do it. And if you are confused or you don't know or you feel like you're a novice in real estate, the best thing to do is to ask somebody who does know, like a lawyer or a realtor or somebody like that. Somebody who is in the industry that can help you, you know, find out if what you're thinking about investing in is a good thing or a bad thing. And that would be my advice to you, because caution, I always say it's better to be cautious in any real estate deal, and anything that sounds too good to be true usually is too good to be true. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed this video about ChatGPT and the 10 biggest real estate scams it warned us about. I hope you'll join us again. We will be back very soon with another video. And this is Jesse signing off from the Owner Terms Land Network.